Hi friends, I am Udasagar Kantpal and I am back here with yet another lecture on Java using HBase IDE. So the topic for today is finding the area of a circle. So we will find the area of circle in two ways. One is the direct formula, the pi r square, where r is known, and another is deriving the value of r from the equation of a circle, where the equation of the circle would be x square plus y square plus ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So now we will calculate. So before that, I would like to ask my new viewers to please subscribe to my channel, please like my videos on YouTube, please comment, share, and please press the bell icon for notification. So let's name this class as circle and begin. So the initial function would be public static double get area, and we will return the area by simply passing the value into the formula. So double r return, we'll use the math dot py inbuilt variable into r. So this is the default function. Next, I will write the formula for calculating the radius of the circle from the equation. So I have written the general equation for the circle: a x square plus y square plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So I just completed the square, and making a perfect square, I resolved it into the form of x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square, where r is the radius. So r square becomes a square by 4 plus b square by 4 minus c, and r becomes math.sqrt a square by 4 plus b square by 4 minus c. So now we just need to calculate the equation. So we just need to public static double, we just need to pass the value of a, b, and c for the equation. So double a double b double c, and we just need to return math.sqrt a into a by 4 plus b into b by 4 minus c, and this is the value. We just need to check whether this value is 0 or less than 0 or not. So if this value is equals to 0, we need to print out this is a point. If this is smaller than 0, we need to print this is not a circle, and we just need to return, in the case it's not a circle, we will return 0. So now we need to test the function. So psvm, let's check the first function first. So system.out.println get area. What would be the area if the radius is equal to 4? Radius would be equal to pi into 4 into 4, that's 16 into 3.14. So it will approximately equal to 50.26. So let's calculate the same via the second function. Now we know if we want to create an equation of radius of a circle with a initial with the center point at 0, 0, it would be x square plus y square equal to 4 square or 16. So if we take it to the left hand side, it would become x square plus y square minus 16 equal to 0. If we match it, then we will get A equals to 0, B equals to 0 and C equals to minus 16. Now let's calculate the area. So it is right now it has displayed the radius. We just need to return the area. So for calculating the area, we will say double radius equals to this and return math.pi into radius into radius. We know that the radius is calculated correctly, so right now it would display the same result as it is displaying in the first function. So if we display x squared plus y squared plus 2a plus 4b plus 3, so the answer is 6.28. Here it is not 2a plus 4b, it's 2x plus 4y. X squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. So here a equal to 2 and b equal to 4. So the value for this is 6.28, which is equal to 2 pi. If we want to calculate it for some big value, say for 14 and 20, it's calculating correctly. So you can verify it by manually calculating the value. So now we have the two functions. You can look at this. This is the basic formula and this is the equation which we have calculated the radius and then the area. So this is the general equation of the circle. So we just passed the double a, b and c for the form x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and we calculated the area of the circle like this. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.